Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about money habits, keeping you stuck, living without a budget. Living without a budget, one of the most common habits keeping people financially stuck is operating without a budget. Many people know roughly how much they earn each month, but have little idea where their money actually goes. Without a plan, spending often happens automatically. Small purchases, subscriptions, dining out, and impulse spending can quietly consume a large portion of income. A budget is not about restricting your life, it's about giving your money direction. When you know exactly where your money is going, you gain greater control over your financial future. People who budget consistently are often better prepared to save, invest, and achieve financial goals because every dollar has a purpose. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.